Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing about important emblems of various countries. First and foremost thing I would like to discuss about our country. Lion capital is the emblem for our country. Next one, Netherlands, then Norway, Sri Lanka, and two more countries. One is Belgium and another is Sierra Leone. These countries are following the emblem of lion. That you have to remember. Similarly, as you can observe, Spain and Syria, they are following the emblem of eagle. Then I would like to inform one more point, one more confusing fact. Then lion with the crown, okay, that is belong to Luxembourg. At the same time, lion emblem is following by Belgium. And also, don't get any confusion regarding these aspects. Okay. Then crescent and star is following by Turkey. And crescent, only crescent is following by Pakistan. Then regarding kangaroo, the country is Australia basically. The emblem of the country Australia, that is kangaroo. The emblem of Canada, that is white lily. Where the emblem of Bangladesh is water lily. Don't make any confusion. Canada white lily and emblem of Bangladesh will be water lily. Then emblem of France is basically lily. Okay, so these are the three facts. Canada means white lily, France lily, and Bangladesh water lily. If I talk about Italy, then it is white lily. Okay, so Canada and Italy, they are following the same emblem. That means Canada and Italy, white lily, they are following white lily. Then Kanje Pheasant is the emblem of the country Guyana. Okay. Then Shamrock, that is belong to Ireland. Then Chrysanthemum, that is belong to Japan. Okay. The emblem bird of paradise is applicable for New Guinea, one of the country. Roses belong to UK, England. Then cornflower, that is belong to Germany. Important. Cornflower is one of the emblem that is applicable for Germany. Okay. Then orchard trees, that is applicable for Hong Kong. Candelabrum, that is applicable for Israel. And elephant is belong to Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast elephant, one of the emblem that is applicable for Ivory Coast. Cedar tree is applicable for Lebanon. And the national emblem of Mongolia, that is the Soyambo. Obviously, New Zealand, it's basically kiwi. Okay. Then regarding the Sudan, they are following the national emblem as secretary bird. Okay, these are the various emblems, and I have mentioned the confusing fact also. So try to bifurcate separately and prepare for examination. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video. You may refer my another channel for referring technical studies. Finally, thank you very much for your support.